At the moment, I've currently got this disorganized information in a table here, but I want to calculate how much was spent for each category in this table over here. So what I'm going to do is create a new table to the right of this table, and I'm going to put this information over here in an organized fashion in this new table. Okay, so to do that, I'm going to have to go to the top left here, and I have to click on Insert. Then I have to click on Pivot Table over here. Okay, it's going to ask me what sort of information I want to organize, right? So I'm going to select this entire table over here, right? And then I'm going to press OK. Right, and to the right, this information over here will appear, and I just click on Expense, and I click on Amount, and that data here to the left is going to be organized, right? It's going to sum up what we spent for each category. All right, so I can close this box over here. I can rename this column over here. I can also format this column over here. So I right click on P and I click on Format Cells. I go to Currency and then I just hit OK like that. Well, let's see. I might have to do it again because for some reason I'm on number. So let's just make sure I do that correctly. I'll click on Currency and then I'll click OK. So as you can see, those numbers have been changed into pounds, and if I want to shift everything to the left, right, I click up here and I just click on this over here twice. All right, so that is how, right, you can organize information in a table very, very quickly. The pivot table option is exceptional. Now, what happens if you update this table to the left here? Let's say I add another expense for gas. Okay, so let me put gas over here and let me put £100 to the right here. As you can see, this figure has changed, but it hasn't changed inside the pivot table. So what I do is I click on expense up here. Then I right click on it and then just hit refresh. And as you can see, those figures change. If you have any questions regarding this video, leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel for more maths content and more content to do with spreadsheets as well. Thanks for watching.